So good morning students. So today we are discussing about cancer. So cancer, it is one of the chronic disease, and it is caused due to sudden changes in our body. So sudden changes means here what happens in particular places in our body, and cells while undergoing division. So they undergo division with uncontrolled manner. For example, in particular place 50 cells has to form, but instead of 50, if they produce more than 100 200, so it leads to cancer. So in particular place, if the cells are not undergo division in a uncontrolled manner, it leads to a cancer. Whatever it is regarding to blood cells, lymph nodes, lymph cells, and inside the lymph nodes and skin, important vital organs like lungs, muscles, and other wherever, if the uncontrolled divisions of cells are occurred, it leads to cancer. So let us go to that. Cancer, it is a chronic disease and dangerous disease, and it is not inherited, means it won't come from parents to children's. So it causes due to sudden changes in our body, particularly uh, genetic material will be changed. Genetic material genetic material will be changed. The sudden changes are called mutations leads to cancer. So now let us take in our body. First of all, what happens when the uncontrolled divisions of cells are formed? They are called, generally they form in some of the places tumors. In some of the places, tumors. So tumors are two types: benign tumor and malignant tumor. So tumor means a uncontrolled divisions of the cells which form as a mass. The mass of cells which are uncontrolled manner is called tumor. So now benign tumor. The benign tumor, it is a harmless and it won't cause any harmful effects to us, and mainly it will not spread from one place to the another place. Next we go to the malignant tumor. Malignant tumor is harmful to us and it cause harmful, and to us it leads to cancer. It spread from one place to the another place. Now generally cancer is two types. If the cancer means abnormal divisions of the cells which are occurred in epithelial cells, it leads to carcinoma cancer. So carcinoma cancer is causes to mainly which organs? Lungs, breast, pancreas, and stomach. When the cancer causes to the muscles and other lymph nodes and blood, it is called sarcoma. So now what are the main agents to cause the so another types of cancer also we can see, and what we can say, cervical cancer, blood cancer means white blood, leukemia cancer, and more types of cancers. Nearly 200 types of cancers are there maximum. So these cancers, some of the cancers are very harmful to us. Some due to these harmful cancers, members will be die. So next, let us, what are the agents should responsible to cause the cancer? Mainly three types of agents we can see to cause the cancer. Those are physical, chemical, biological agents. So now physical agents, mainly what are the means? Ultraviolet light, infrared, x-rays, and radiations. Whenever we expose to these harmful rays several times, by these harmful rays will leads to affected the cancer. So we, our body not exposed to these harmful rays like ultraviolet, infrared, and x-ray, x alpha, beta, gamma, and x-rays. So whenever we expose oftenly to those harmful rays, so we are affected by the cancer. So these are the physical agents. Let us go to the chemical agents. So chemicals like tobacco, means in which nicotine, and soot, coal, and tar, aflatoxins. So aflatoxins are the very dangerous toxins which are present in the bitter groundnut seeds. bitter, so that we won't be take the bitter groundnut seeds. Why? Because in that bitter groundnut seeds there is a toxin is called aflatoxins are present. So aflatoxins leads to cancer. Next, go to the saccharine and DDT. Saccharine usually used to in the toddy. So general regularly old persons and other persons should take the toddy. So toddy, it consists of saccharine. So if they consume more toddy, it leads to cancer. Why? Because saccharine is carcinogenic agent. Means carcinogenic agent means which cause the cancer. Next, go to the alcohol. When we consume more alcohol, it leads to cancer. And crackers chemicals also leads to cause the cancer. Let us go to the biological carcinogenic agents. So here some of the viruses responsible to cause the cancer. So in this way, so cancer causing agents are should cause the cancer. So once you have to remember about a cancer, cancer is not inherited, means which never comes from parents to children. It comes whenever sudden changes are occurred in our body, then the cancer is causes. Mainly sudden changes are called mutations. Inside the cell there will be a genetic changes are occurred. So these are the main. So nowadays cancer scientists are putting efforts to treat, to reduce, and to remove the cancer by the chemotherapy and radiographic methods. In this way, harmful cancers also doctors can removing, and there will be taking that efforts to cure the cancer diseases.